Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make junglee pulao. So if you like my channel, please comment, share, subscribe. For the junglee pulao, the ingredients what I am going to use while making the junglee pulao, I will show you the ingredients one by one. So come on, let us start the recipe. Put some oil. I have taken cumin seeds, that is jeera. Put it in. I have cut up some garlic. Put it in. I have selected 3 chilies, green chilies. Put it in. Put the onions. Onions are turned golden brown. Now I am going to put the vegetables. That is, I have taken potatoes, cauliflower and cabbage. Now I will put in the potato and cauliflower. Then put in the cabbage. Now I'll put in the rice. I have taken rice here according to my measurement, and this rice I'm going to put it in it and fry it for a little while. This is boiled rice. I eat boiled rice. Put the saffron. Put the chili powder. And put some Madrasi curry masala. See, this is Madrasi masala. So I am going to put this. Put the salt. Add some water. Last of all, put the tomatoes. I've cut up tomatoes here. Cover it up and let it cook. Junglee pulao is ready. Now I am going to serve it. Junglee pulao is ready to eat. You can see it is so yummy. It's looking very tasty. Thank you for watching my video.